Are you tired of playing the same old chords on your guitar? Do you want to take your playing to the next level and captivate audiences with your unique style? Look no further than Fingerstyle guitar. This technique allows you to create beautiful melodies, harmonies, and rhythms all at once, using just your fingers. In this article, we will explore 5 mind-blowing techniques that will transform your guitar playing and leave a lasting impression on anyone who listens. Thumb independence. Unlocking new possibilities. One of the fundamental skills in fingerstyle guitar is developing thumb independence. By training your thumb to play bass notes while simultaneously plucking melody or harmony notes with your other fingers, you can create rich and intricate arrangements that sound like multiple guitars playing together. This technique adds depth and complexity to your music, making it more engaging for both yourself and your audience. To develop thumb independence, start by practicing simple exercises that involve alternating between bass notes played by the thumb and melody or harmony notes played by the other fingers. Gradually increase the difficulty as you become more comfortable with this technique. With time and practice, you'll be amazed at how effortlessly you can create complex arrangements. Percussive techniques. Adding rhythm to your playing. Fingerstyle guitar allows for a wide range of percussive techniques that add rhythm and texture to your music. By incorporating tapping, slapping, popping, or even drumming on different parts of the guitar body while simultaneously playing chords or melodies with your fingers, you can create a dynamic sound that grabs attention. Experiment with different percussive techniques during practice sessions until you find ones that resonate with you personally. These techniques not only enhance rhythmic elements but also add an element of surprise for listeners. They won't believe these sounds are coming from just one instrument. Harmonics. Creating ethereal tones. Harmonics are a magical aspect of fingerstyle guitar that can transport your listeners to another world. By lightly touching certain points on the strings while plucking them, you can produce ethereal and bell-like tones. These harmonics add an enchanting quality to your music and create a sense of wonder. Start by practicing natural harmonics, which occur at specific frets along the neck of the guitar. Once you've mastered these, experiment with artificial harmonics, where you use one finger to touch the string and another finger to pluck it simultaneously. The combination of harmonic techniques will open up new avenues for creativity in your playing. Fingerpicking patterns. Building complexity. Fingerpicking patterns are essential tools for any fingerstyle guitarist. They provide structure and rhythm to your playing while allowing you to explore different melodies or chord progressions simultaneously. By mastering various patterns, such as Travis picking, alternating bass lines, or arpeggios, you can create intricate arrangements that will captivate listeners. Practice each pattern slowly at first, focusing on accuracy and consistency before gradually increasing speed. As you become more comfortable with these patterns, start combining them or adding variations to develop your unique style. Chord melody. Becoming a one-person band. Chord melody is the art of combining chords and melodies into one cohesive arrangement on the guitar. This technique allows you to play both harmony and melody parts simultaneously, creating a full-bodied sound without needing additional instruments or accompaniment. To master chord melody playing, start by selecting a simple song or tune that you're familiar with and experiment with incorporating chords into its melody line using different voicings across the fretboard. With practice, this technique will enable you to arrange any song in a way that showcases both its harmonic progression and memorable melodic hooks. In conclusion, by exploring these mind-blowing fingerstyle guitar techniques, thumb independence, percussive techniques, harmonics, fingerpicking patterns, and chord melody, you will unlock a world of possibilities in your playing. These techniques will not only impress your audience but also provide you with a deeper connection to the instrument and your music. So, pick up your guitar and embark on this exciting journey of discovery. With dedication and practice, you'll soon find yourself mesmerizing audiences with the power of fingerstyle guitar. Let your fingers tell stories that words cannot express and let the music speak for itself.